Maybe take a few slow breaths. You can close your eyes if that feels safe to you. If it doesn't, an unfocused gaze towards the floor is just fine. Sometimes when we still the body and close the eyes, the brain gets very busy, and that's just fine. Nothing wrong with that. And bringing your awareness back to the breath, away from busy thoughts. Just the in and the out. Feeling your body being supported. Your energy calming. With each breath, getting a little more settled. I invite you to imagine that you're walking on a path. This is a path leading to your inner garden. This is your personal garden. This is the place where your soul's gifts, talents, and abilities grow. Walk gently forward, noticing the path beneath your feet. And ahead of you is the gate to the garden. The gate is open, and you can walk inside. Take a look around. What do you see growing here? Some plants might be tall and strong. Others are small and delicate. And as you look more closely, you see that near each plant there are signs. Little markers like small handwritten labels naming what each plant represents. Perhaps one says compassion. Another might say creative vision. Another quiet strength. Some signs might mark seedlings or bare soil, potentials waiting for you to notice them. Let yourself explore. Read the signs. Notice what's thriving, what's tender, what's waiting. As you wander, someone joins you. This is the soul gardener, the one who tends this garden for you. You can feel their quiet, steady presence. They guide you gently, pointing to plants you've overlooked, or showing what you've grown without realizing. Where are they guiding your attention? What are they inviting you to notice you might have missed before? Your soul gardener leads you to the center of the garden. Here stands a pedestal, and resting on the pedestal is an object meant for you. Perhaps a crown, or a torch, or a staff, a piece of jewelry, a cloak, or something else. The soul gardener explains softly, "This belongs to you. You planted its seed long ago. You simply forgot to claim it. If you wish, pick it up now. Let yourself carry it, or wear it, or simply hold it. Now look around your garden again. Has anything changed? Maybe hidden plants bloomed, maybe new paths opened, and old ones closed. Know that this symbol you carry is yours, whether you carry it now or leave it here in your garden for safekeeping. Your soul gardener offers their quiet blessing. Trust that your gifts will continue to grow and that you are never tending them alone. Take a final look at your garden. And when you're ready, take the path that leads you back out of the garden gate. The path that walks you back to the room where you are right now, coming into the awareness of the breath. The breath in the body, the in and the out of the breath in the body, bringing yourself fully back to the body, coming all the way back into your body. Saying thank you for the ease there is in the breath you notice now. Perhaps noticing fingers and toes, giving them a gentle wiggle. Fully back in the body, all the way back. And when it feels good to you, you can gently open your